You have like 10 more questions you have to do.
That's really tall.
Yeah. This would look like if you were in the center of what it used to look like.
Oh, wait. Wait, does it say, like, does it make a beeping sound to where we got it? He actually did
Forested at one point.
Liam! Put your hand around me. Put your arms around. No, I don't. Seriously?
You have like
Oh,
10 more
that's big.
questions you have to do.
That's really tall.
So Caleb, what's out there?
Stonehenge.
Yeah.
What? Did you make this?
I didn't make that one, no. None of the ones I made it this far.
Still working on your technique.
Indeed. So that's sinew, animal sinew, catgut, whatever you want to call it. The bit that holds your joints together. So there's no metal, so they would go out with their antler pick and dig holes with their cow bone shovel, go mining and find some flint. But it's quite heavy. And when they've got their flint, they start hitting it. It's called knapping. Yeah, so they would keep knocking it until they made all different shapes, like a knife, or an arrowhead, or an axe. And then you can make all sorts of things. You can start chopping down trees. Sometimes they just use hand axes. I'll take that one from you. Yeah, so you could use that. Sometimes they polished them really, really well, so they were nice and smooth and shiny. That one's a bit heavier. Got it? Then you can go out and get your animals, make snappy little coats like this.
Cool. You have like 10 more questions you have to do.